AI prediction trading confirmed. This is what we're doing today. What's going on, everybody? I want to show you something that was live on my Patreon/Discord for a couple of months. Then the bear market ate us all alive and crushed our soul into oblivion. And if you're still here, I have revived this AI prediction due to insane demand and asking on Twitter, and basically also the people on Discord and Patreon. Let's do it. I'm gonna show you my thought process basically every day around 7 p.m. Let's start with that. Every day around 7 p.m. Eastern time. And by the way, this is my new place. Hope you like it. Every day around 7 p.m. Not around. At 7 p.m. Eastern time, the daily candle closes. At that point, I give or take about an hour or so later, something like that. Depends on life. I go here to this terminal, and you can go as well to this terminal, web.getorgs.com. I just put the AI prediction signal if you want. It's somewhere here. I already have saved, and I've added a couple of stuff from my own volume profile, plus a little bit of that, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. And I see based on the daily what's going on with about 30 coins. I made a new list yesterday, 27 coins. The most popular ones, ADA, Cardano, it's the same, XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba, Doge, and all the usual suspects, as you know, Solana, Link, whatever the case, Binance. And I'm going to show you a couple of options where to trade. And of course, if you want to join, because there's a recession, whatever you want to call it, there's a link below for a 14 days trial to access Discord in the description. You will get the AI prediction channel, whale wallets every Friday. I send a whale wallet update. There's so far we have 47 wallets. Hopefully we will add more of wallets that were like day one early to Titano, day one early to Drip, and all other Ponzi's that you found out about 6 months later on YouTube. The goal is not to find out about them 6 months later, but to find out on day one and dump 6 months later on retail once it's blew up on YouTube. Airdrop updates, of course, Q&A and LFG. 14 days trial. After that, this is the price to join and get all of the above. And of course, you can trade here on Optimism if you like, Pika, all the links below. Arbitrum GMX will be a link below, and Open Leverage on Binance Smart Chain link will be below. So let me show you my thought process. I'm just gonna go here. Basically, I'm gonna do indicator zip final done. It's already saved. And where's my favorite coins? I'm gonna click here. Changes to Bitcoin, I'm just showing you my thought process and how it works for me. BTC USD, and then this is the basically here. I'm gonna click favorite coins. I'm gonna make sure I'm also recording. So basically for me, just so you know, I take a pen, not a pen and a pencil. Usually it's either a notepad, or if I'm actually wanna do it legit, it's actually a pen, pencil, journal, do what you need to do. I'll probably start with that as well. And I'm starting with the daily. I'm just showing you the process, and then I'm gonna show you how I'm actually doing it. I'm going on the daily to have a direction, and then I know which trade I'm looking for. So the direction right now with Bitcoin, of course, we got a sell signal right here. You see this? Let me make sure it's a little up. It's fine. The red signal was around 30,600 on the daily. Once I get a signal on the daily, either go short or go long, then I change it. Okay, so let's, for the example, Bitcoin short. Of course, we all know that we are now at 22,200. I change after I go over all this list: Bitcoin, Ethereum. Let's see, Ethereum also short. I assume all of them are short. Binance, it goes by volume, not just by market cap. It goes by volume. So you see Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance trading volume, Solana. After that, you see Solana got a sell. That's BNB. We got a BNB sell at like 310. It's now 220. Beautiful. Solana, it's a little slow because it's super super crazy. Super crazy. This past weekend was insane. Basically, that's Solana, Cardano, Avalanche, XRP. Let me show you the coins basically that you will get on Discord. Once there's actually a signal. I'm not here to trade 24/7. If that's you, I hate to break it up for you. You are a gambler. I'm here to make less trades with more conviction in the AI. Where do I take the trade? I take the trade either here at the bottom when I get a buy, or right here at the top when I get a sell. That is it on the 5 minutes. That's it. If I get that on the daily, that's even crazier. But right now, let's start just for the example with Bitcoin, okay? So once I have a direction on the daily, I know that I'm looking for a short. I'm looking for a short basically. Then I go to the Bitcoin, same thing with all 27 pairs. I'm changing to the 5 minutes, okay? And then I'm taking a trade only and only when I get a red signal in here at about, as of now, because it keeps changing, about 22.8. If it breaks, if it goes up from 22.2 to 22.8, and then give or take when I get a sell signal, that's the time for me to sell. Ideally, you know, because there was a signal in here at 21.4, but because I am short on the daily, not me, the AI is short on the daily, I'm not taking this signal, I'm not taking all of those stuff before. But you see here, ideally, we already got it. This was like, I don't know, like at midnight. I don't also trade 24 hours, let's be real. But about, I don't know, midnight and 15 minutes, this was a sell, 22,670. And then you got a buy, and you could have stopped out in here. And then and we dropped all the way to 21.4. And now we are at here. The red line, just so you know, this is the majority of buyers and sellers balance of power, okay, for volume profile, and they're fighting if we're going up or down. If this goes down below the red, we will go down, but it's the 5 minutes, so it's not that accurate. That's why I like to go with the daily. So the daily tells me short, so that's my bias. My bias is short. I'm just looking from all those 27 pairs, I'm looking for something that will reach the final bar. Sometimes it's super disciplined if you go just here and only, but sometimes it reaches here and then it gets a sell signal, then I go in. Where do you trade? As I said before, Pika, if you have funds on Optimism, you can trade Ethereum, Bitcoin, Chainlink, Synthetics, Solana, Avalanche, Medic, Aave, ApeCoin, Axis Infinity's Uniswap. They're gonna add more. And we got ourselves GMX on Arbitrum. A lot of people love that, but you can only trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, and Uniswap. And Binance Smart Chain, tons of people use this. They don't have a coin yet. We've done a couple of videos about them. They're supposed to go live, like with the coin and an airdrop to everyone that used the platform a couple of months ago by the end of Q2, which is basically like 2 weeks from now. So hopefully we will all be 6 figures airdrop gazillionaire, hopefully, just from this. But you can trade on here. This is what I like with them, BNB, and I like GMT. That I haven't seen any platform that traded GMT. Price right now is 63 cents, and if you go here, I got this pair right here, just so for the example, GMT, you see here 63.7, and if I change this one to the daily, okay, and it tells me to go short at about 60, where was it, about 56, something like that. Is this true? Give or take, no, 59, so it's a little above it. Okay, but at the end of the day, I'm still getting a short signal. So I'm biased toward short. What does that mean? That means that we are right here. And if this thing goes up to around right here, 66, 67, something like that, and then I get a sell signal, I don't go short automatically, because sometimes it squeezes you to both sides just to give max pain to people that got into those sides basically. But when I get a sell signal, I basically ideally take the trade. I don't take all the trades. We just revived this just yesterday. We just added 14 days trial basically, and you can do it by yourself, of course, if you want. As I said, go to this website, web.getorgs.com, add a bunch of indicators, including the AI indicator if you wish, or join us on Discord and wait for me to do the legwork. Basically, you pay for that premium, you pay for that benefit, as I said. Let's do a little one more. Let's try with Ethereum. Let's go just for the example. And I will do my, that's my update for the day. But I will do basically once I go over all those 27 coins once I finish this video, and then I check the daily, I write it down, and then I have the bias long or short on those 27 coins. Then I change to 5 minutes and then see the levels that I need to pay attention. I'll put a couple of coins on watch list, and if there's anything new, then I do something. Ethereum, I already posted this on Discord a couple of days ago. It got a sell signal right here, 1680. That's crazy. I didn't believe it. I didn't believe we'll go that low. Here we are at 1200. We got a sell signal, and now I'm waiting on a buy signal for the daily. But until we get a buy signal on the daily, I'm biased toward short. So I go on the daily right here. I'm changing it to the 5 minutes. And in the 5 minutes, Ethereum is right here. And if Ethereum goes around here, that level, 1260, something like that, and I get a short signal, so be it. If there's nothing, there's nothing. You don't have to trade. Yesterday, we revived it. We took a trade on Solana. We made about 5%. We took a short, closed it. And then we took a chain link. We made 11%, shorted, closed the trade. And lo and behold, today Solana is almost back at $30, and Chainlink is we got in at 610 and we sold at 550, and now it's at 60, 20% correction. Same thing with Link. Let's do this one last time, just for the example. Chainlink, right here, sell at around 720, let's call it. Sell Chainlink, so I'm biased toward short. That's all, and we are here, we're getting close. So if Chainlink goes I don't know, 680 or something like that, and we get a sell signal, that's what I'm gonna keep an eye on. Then I'll post that on my Discord basically, which you can join. Put yourself a stop loss, not a financial advice. I don't know, probably 1%, maybe 2% above. Usually what I do, when I do take the trade, again, I don't take all the trades, and it's been crazy as well. But if I see here, I get a sell signal, and then I get a buy signal like 5-10 minutes later, I just close the trade. I don't try again, because it maybe go even higher. But put a stop, 1, 2, 3%, up to you. It's all up to you. Take profit, also up to you. I do try to close the trade when it goes to the red line. That's all. Go to the red line, close the trade, because as I said, balance of power, either up or down, no one knows. So if you go from here to here, that's a trade. You move on. You don't need to do tons of trades every single day. That's gambling. Join us, as I said, link below to Discord, 14 days trial, LFG, let's effing go. You get well wallets, AI prediction, airdrop. My name is ETH Finance After 40, not a financial advice. You can and will most likely lose 100% of your money getting wrecked trading crypto. This weekend just show us. It's not just this weekend, since January. It's not just crypto, stocks, everything is crashing. It is what it is. I hope you like the new place. Do you see the nice windows with trees behind me? I'll try to do this update shorter, and I'll try to do this every day around 8 o'clock, 8 p.m., and make it more concise than just see what it is. But for the threads itself, Discord, here's the link. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.